So dear students, now we have reached to exercise 5.2 and we are going to do question number 1. As I have already discussed in the previous video, that is the intro video to 5.2, about the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. If you have not seen this video, then I am recommending it over here. Please go and see this video. It will be very useful for you. An is equals to a plus n minus 1d. The first question in this 5 parts are there, and all of this is a very easy question, and it is just based on this simple formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. As you can see, there are three variables involved here, an, a, d, and n. Four variables are involved over here. So you can see a is given, d is given, n is given, and an is given, and you have to just find the which is the missing term. For example, in first question, an is missing, which you have to find, and a is given, d is given, and n is given. As we know, the formula is equals to an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and it will come out to, so as you can see in question number 1, a is 7, d is 3, n is 8, and an we have to find. So we have solved question number 1 for you, and let's see. An is equals to a plus n minus 1d. This formula we have to utilize, and an we have to find. We have put a is equals to 7, which is given over here, and then n is 8, it is also given it over here, and d is 3, which is also given over here. Okay, and then we have solved it. 8 minus 1 7, 7 into 3 21, 21 plus 7, it has become 28. So this answer will be 28. So dear students, now see, let's question number 3. In question number 3, a is missing. In question number 3, a is missing, and d is given minus 3, d we have written minus 3, n is given 18, n is given 18, and an is minus 5, an we have written minus 5. Again we are keeping the same formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1d, an we have put in minus 5, a we have to find out, n is 18 minus 1, and d is minus 3. Minus 5, a 18 minus 1 17 minus 3, 17 into minus 3, it will be minus 51, and minus 51 will come over here, it will become plus 51 minus 5. So a will come out to be 46. So this is the answer of third part. A will come out to be 46. Second part is very easy, you can do by your own. And now let's come to question number 4. Now we are coming to question number 4. In question number 4, what is a is 18.9, d is 2.5, and we have to find out, and an is 3.6. Again we have done the same thing. We have know this formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d, and then an is 3.6, an is 3.6. Okay, an is 3.6, a we have written minus 18.9, n minus 1, n minus 1 because we have to find n, and d is 2.5, d we have written it as here 2.5. Then what you will do first is that you will take 18.9 to this side, it will become 3.6 plus 18.9, and then you'll keep it same with the leftover thing like this same. Then 3.6 plus 89.9 will come out to 22.5, and n minus 1 2.5. And then this, as this is in multiplication, see, you have to practice this very diligently, because most of the students are not able to solve these questions. So what is the best trick is that you take, as this is in multiplication, you take this in division, drag it in the division. It will become 22.5 upon 2.5. Okay, and 2.5 upon 2.5 will come out to be 10, n minus 1 10, and this minus 1 will come over this side, over this side, and it will become 10 plus 1 11. So n is equals to 11 is the answer. So it will come, answer will come 11 over here. Similarly, you can do the fifth part also. It is very easy. A is given, D is given, N is given. You have to find out AN. Okay, same as like in the first case we have to find AN, in the last case also we have to find AN. It is very easy question, you can do by it your own. So I hope understood, you have understood this question, and do let me know in the comments if you are understanding the concepts or not, because this is a very new way of teaching and I am very conscious that you are getting to know the concepts or not. So please, if it is yes, then also please do write in the comments, and if it is no, then please do write in the comments that what I am teaching you are able to understand it or not. First thing, you write in the comment box what I am teaching, you are able to understand it or not. The second thing is that please like, subscribe, and share the channel, that is AJR Online. Thank you. Now, dear students, we are going to do question number second, first part. See very clearly, this question is asked. It is MCQ type question, and it has been asked the 30th term of the AP 1074. Any AP is given whose terms are 10, 7, 4, and so on, and it has been asked find the 30th term of this AP. You can very easily say that A is 10 in this AP and D is 7 minus 10 minus 3. D is minus 3 in this AP and A is 10 in this AP. Now the 30th, you have to find the 30th term. It means that the number which is at the 30th place, that you have to find it out. It means that you n is 30. An you have to find it out, because you have to find the value of a number which is at the 30th place. So I have already told you that the value of a number is an. This an you have to find it out, which the number which is at the 30th place in this AP. For example, this is first place, is second place, is third place. Like this, if we go on, any place will be 30th place. Okay, what number is there, that you have to find it out. So n is 30 and an we have to find it out. So it's a very easy question. An is equals to a plus n minus 1d. We know a is 10, we know n is 30, we know d is minus 3, and then you can solve it, and then an will come out to be minus 77. So yes, this is the answer. Option C is correct. So now, dear students, we are going to do the question number second part of second question. Okay, we have done it over here, this side we have done it over here, and then the AP is minus 3 minus 1 upon 2, the AP is minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 and 2, very easy. The A is minus 3, we have done the A is minus 3, and the D is what? D is minus 1 upon 2 and minus, it's already minus there, so minus minus it is become plus, minus 1 upon 2 plus 3, it will become out to be d 5 upon 2. So d is what? D is 5 upon 2. This you have to see it very, most of the students do mistake over here. D is 5 upon 2, and then same question you have to find the 11th term. So n is 11 over here, and an you have to find it out. So very easy, the formula is as you know, is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d, and a is minus 3, n is 11 minus 1, and it is 5 upon 2. So minus 3, 11 minus 1, 10, 5 upon 2, and then when you will solve, you will get the n is equals to 22. So yes, this is the answer. This is the answer over here. Dear students, please let me know if you are able to understand it or not, and please do write in comment the very small things also. For example, if the screen is looking very messy, so you can write, sir, the screen is very messy, do one question each time. Or if you do not like the color of the pen, then also you can say, sir, use this color, use that color, anything which you are feel to wish, you can write. Okay, Thank you. Thanks a lot. Keep liking, subscribing. Thank you.